Alright guys, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. Appreciate it. So as you can see, we finally got these two 4-inchers turned right here, so that makes me happy. I thought it was going to be a more aggressive turn over here, but luckily we just threw a couple 10-foot sticks on there and it worked out just perfectly, so we didn't have to cut anything after all. So that was super nice. Getting everything strapped down. Friday last week we took all these loose, the 2-inch and 3-inch, so we went back and strapped those down as well. So everything is pretty much done now until we get down to the corner. So I'll show you that here in a second. So there we go. And so there's the 8 4-inchers right there, and then we got the 2-inch, and then the 2 3-inch, and then 2 more 4-inch. So we will be raising the rack probably tomorrow, so that will probably slow things down, just because of some clearance issues with the fire sprinkler guys. So here's the end of the corner right here, so I've got all these strapped down to here. I still do have to mark these right here, but that's not too big of a deal, just because we have to extend the rest of these and turn the corner, so we can kind of move those as we go, adjust the gap over there. But as you can see, got this first one turned right here, so that's sweet. So we're gonna start turning these, getting the second one ready for tomorrow. And then here's the box over here. Just got some pipe laying up there right now, but my other coworkers are working on these boxes right here, which turned out very nice. So they got these 30 by 30s hanging in the ceiling with the 4-inch connectors going up with some pipe up there, going upstairs, as you can see, going up to the next floor. And then they got these hanging on all thread, so that's looking nice and good. And then we got the first pipe right here, and like I said, the rack is going to be raised up. I forgot how much, like 8 or 10 inches. So that'll fit right into the side of the box right there. I'll just mark that out, and then take it down, and then they can just cut it in place, and then we can just get those stubbed right in there. So that'll be sweet. I think that's about it. So tomorrow, like I said, I'm going to be cutting or turning some of these 90s probably, but also raising the rack up. So it probably won't look like I get much done tomorrow. So yeah, so I think it turned out pretty good so far, so pretty sweet. Finally getting these dialed in the right place, hopefully for the last time. But yeah, I guess that'll do it for today's video. I don't have really much else to say. That about wraps it up. So thanks guys for watching, I appreciate it. Hopefully you enjoyed. And we'll see what we end up doing tomorrow, if we work on these 90s some more right here, or if we end up raising the rack, and we'll see how long that takes. But I'll see you guys back here tomorrow. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed it, and subscribe. Appreciate it, and it'll help the channel out. And I'll see you guys back here tomorrow. And check the description for anything else, and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload videos or do live streams. Alright guys, God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out.